Alarmed by the perils to life in the Horn and the zest to support humanity, IREX Europe, a non-profit making organisation, sponsored demilitarisation and de-radicalisation project aiming at reducing armed violence and propagating peace in the Horn of Africa. Co-Media Corporation, a leading media and civic education organisation, was the implementing agency. This was done through KMC's Peace Caravan, a neutral and a political tool that implements highly interactive community-based initiatives using theatre forums, poetry, art, culture, sports and religion to communicate sensitive messages with the Somali community.
dadweynaha Soomaaliland si ay nabadda u ilaashadaan ay u daryeelaan ilaahay mahadi weey aad iyo aad waan soo dhaweynaynaa kooxdan.
The attempt was to unify the Somali communities through educative theatre forum and community dialogue, providing an opportunity to the communities to resolve their disputes through dialogue. The project intends to build the capacity of the communities to reduce and manage conflicts and violence sustainably by sharing, utilizing local and international knowledge, enabling the Somali community to find homegrown solutions to their problems. It engaged the Caravan team, who provided civic education, awareness, as well as facilitating community dialogue after their performances across the 6 regions of Somaliland. The first stop was Dila in Odal region, the western part of Somaliland. The campaign was officially opened by the mayor of the town, Mohammed Abdi Mohammed, who highly appreciated the efforts made to restore peace and sanity in the region by the team. The jubilant audience could not wait to enjoy the shows and latter get an opportunity to be heard. In western regions of Somaliland, during the community dialogue, Moments seized the opportunity to make several recommendations on the things they would like done in their regions. Interestingly, the recommendations included establishment of schools and recreation areas, farming land should be marked clearly from the grazing land, everyone caught on burning trees for charcoal should be punished, building police stations. After the western tour, the team moved to the eastern regions of Somaliland. The first region was Da'ar Buduk, district of Marodi Cheh. The event started at 7 o'clock in the evening. The team leader opened the event, introducing the team and their mission. This exercise continued in all the 6 regions of Somaliland. Throughout the exercise, there were no major challenges since the Caravan team are well known in this area and have had a remarkable reputation in conflict resolution and peace building. Success in these activities, little by little, the Somali communities are embracing dialogue for conflict resolution in many areas, including Las Anod, which has had pockets of violence. This exercise needs to be sustained, for lasting peace needs enduring efforts and sustained commitment. Given the fragility of security in the Horn of Africa, more work needs to be done, especially in the war-torn areas, where it has been hard to fully implement the project.